Improvement projects on Maryland Parkway begin tomorrow, according to Clark County. 8 News Now reporter Darlene Melendez is live now along that stretch of road with a preview for us. Darlene.
Hey there, Sasha. Well, if you travel on Maryland Parkway at all, you'll know just how congested this street can get. And in the coming weeks, expect this traffic here to get even worse as that project gets underway. Clark County officials say the project will impact the road at various times beginning tomorrow through August, causing lane closures and shifts at various points of Maryland Parkway and Eastern. These traffic pains, though, are set to make various improvements on Maryland Parkway, including reconstruction of the pavement, new medians, improvements to some sections of the sidewalk, and even a new traffic signal at Cottage Grove and Maryland. All of these changes, as I mentioned, beginning tomorrow morning, some of them continuing on through August, impacting Maryland Parkway and Eastern, even some surrounding streets throughout the next few months. For a full breakdown on those closures and lane shifts, so you can plan your commute accordingly, visit our website, lasvegasnow.com. Reporting live, Darlene Melendez, 8 News Now.